Magandang araw sa inyong lahat at welcome to Reaction Libertas, where freedom of expression and freedom of opinion ay pinaka-importante sa channel na ito. Ang video natin ngayon ay nagpapahayag sa isang impormasyon parang sabotahe sa eleksyon galing kay Attorney Glenn Chong. I-check nyo po ang video at kayo na po ang humusga at try to check, protect our rights to vote, guys. Magandang araw. Check this out.
Doc, may add ko lang din kay DJ Joey. Sir, itong sa 2019 elections, electoral protest po ito. Kinuha talaga ng House of Representatives Electoral Tribunal yung 100 ballot boxes at dinala dito sa Quezon City. Anong binuksan po nila, hindi nagtutugma yung 199. Yung isa hindi kasi nabuksan, si basa. So, hindi na binuksan. Yung 99 machines, binuksan yon. Alam nyo, yung natalong kandidato, binawasan ng 13,000 plus votes ng 99 machines. Yung nanalo, dinagdagan ng 7,800 votes.
Grabe.
Which is not supported by ballots, actual ballots. Example, sa isang presinto, sabi ng makina 300 ang boto ng nanalo. Pero ang balota 125 lamang. Isan humugot ang boto yung makina. Walang balota to support. Kaya nga, kompleto, sigurado akong hindi talaga ito masasagot ng COMELEC. Kaya I'm very sure about it. Nakuha ko lang tong ebidensya na to dahil technical consultant ako ng protestant nung tinalong kandidato. So, may kopya ako noon. I worked with him for 6 years. Kaya, may copy ako and all of these are certified to copy. And then, eto, I will not stay long lang because I will have to review the video now para maparelease ko as early as possible.
Attorney, one last question.
Yes. O, sadali lang. Sadali lang,
okay. Yeah.
Before I will answer your question.
Yeah.
Ito na yun.
Sa inyo. I guess you know who this candidate is, pero hindi ko lang pangalanan ha. Nag-offer siya ng 2 billion to win the elections. Pero, nirefuse siya ng COMELEC dahil meron na silang set winner. So, ginawa niya, nag-withdraw. Kasi hindi naman siya mananalo kahit anong gagawin niya. So, discover who the candidate is.
Wow.
Ibulong mo na lang, attorney.
Grabe, attorney, the way they've perverted our electoral process at paano nila binaba Pilipinas.
Kaya nga, Doki. Most of you do not know that there's one person fighting for everybody else. And I'm not even expecting anything from every one of you in return.